Hello everyone, welcome to my video. Today I will show you how to create a new folder on a computer on the desktop and inside another folder. I will show you methods to create a folder and how to rename it. Before this, we have to know why we use folders. We use folder to store files like documents, photos, videos and music. Here I can say folders help us keep our computer organized. Now I will show you how to create folders. I will show you two methods. Both methods are easy. First method is right click method. This is the most common and easiest way to create a folder. In this step, first you have to go to the place where you want to a folder. So first we create a folder here outside in the desktop. So we go here in the desktop and then click right button of the mouse. Then here you can see new. Here now I have German laptop and keyboard, so here all things written in German, but all the process are same. So click here in new, and when you click here and this side open, and then you have to click here in the new folder. So here new folder appear on the desktop. If you want to change the name, then you have to delete this name and write the name what you want, like new or new folder 1. Okay, and then click enter. Here your folder is ready. If you want to move this folder from here to there in every corner of the desktop, then you just click, you have to left click the mouse and then you can move anywhere you want and put it like here, like here, like here, like here. Okay, this is the most simplest and easiest way to create folder. Okay, and second method is keyboard shortcut. This is the easiest and fastest way to create a new folder. In this method, same, you have to go to the place where you want to create a folder, and then like we are going to create a folder here in the desktop, so we are now here. Then you have to press Ctrl Shift and N. Then here is new folder in front of you. Then same, if you want to change the name, you just erase it and you put the name what you want, like to, and press enter. Okay, same, you can move this folder anywhere you want and keep it. Okay, for this I already told you, press the left button of mouse with the folder and then take everywhere you want and left it. Okay, then we are going to create folder inside PC. Here first you have to open this. If you want to create folder here, you have to press this. There are many folders and the process is same. You just click right button of the mouse and here you found new, and here new. In this side you found folder. Here new folder created. Yeah, same way you can change the name. Like I am going to change its name new folder 1, then press enter again. Okay, if you want to create folder inside this folder which you just created now, yeah, then you have to open it, and here nothing is here, so just you can use the mouse formula or you can use shortcut key. For shortcut key you have to press Ctrl Shift and N, then new folder created. Then you can change its name. I'm going to change its name to new folder 2. Okay, and then press enter again. If you want to create a folder inside this folder, okay, then again you have to open it by double clicking the mouse, and the process is same. Here we are going to use right click method. Here you can find new, and here is your folder. Okay, here you have to create folder from here. Here already written new folder in your PC, but in my case here this is German laptop, so all thing is in German, so you have to click here in new folder. Then we are going to change its name new folder 3. New folder 3 and press enter. Okay, and in the similar way you can create another folder. Here you can use any method which is suitable for you or easy for you, and similar way you can create folder here, and now we can open this folder. Here this is our first folder, new folder. Inside this you can open this by double clicking the mouse. Our folder number 2, here our folder number 3, our folder number here, this is we are here, this is our last folder. And here if you want to create another folder in the same place, then you can create by clicking the mouse or by shortcut key. I'm going to use shortcut key here, Ctrl Shift plus N, new folder created here. Yeah, we are going to change this name like A. This is the name of this folder is A. Okay, then again you can create folder here in similar way. Yeah, in this way you can just click Ctrl Shift N, enter, Ctrl Shift N, enter, Ctrl Shift N. Yeah, these all are new folder. So in this way you can create new folder in your PC. So here we create folder inside new folder. Yeah, and on the desktop too, yeah. So in this way you can create a folder in your laptop or computer. Yeah, these are the two simple and easy methods to create folder. If you found this video useful, please like, share and follow my page. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.